Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kajabi using payout scheduling step by step clearly. To withdraw from Kajabi using payout scheduling, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Sales tab in the left sidebar. In the Sales menu, select Payouts to access your payout options. You will see a summary of your earnings and scheduled payouts. To set up your payout schedule, click on the Manage Payouts button. On the Manage Payouts page, review the current payout frequency. Choose your preferred payout schedule, whether it's weekly or monthly. Make sure to save your changes after selecting the schedule. Next, return to the Payouts section to view any pending withdrawals. If you have funds available, click on the Request Withdrawal button. Fill out any required information for the withdrawal if prompted. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. After confirming, review the withdrawal details for accuracy. Finally, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation once your withdrawal is processed. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding your payout status. Your funds will arrive in your designated bank account according to the payout schedule you set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.